Hello everybody, I'm sorry if my accent is a bit strong and I'm sorry if my mic is a bit crackly, but it's YouTube, who cares? Right, why am I here? In April this year I heard about a site called Hirise, that's Hirise. Now this is a site that is from the University of Arizona in conjunction with NASA that releases high definition pictures of Mars from the orbiter. These pictures are amazing in themselves. Now, up to now, they've released at least 24,000 pictures. Uh, I have downloaded maybe 100, but every Wednesday or thereabout, they release more. Sometimes they release a lot, sometimes they release only a few. Anyway, so why are we here? Now, these two that I particularly picked out that stuck in my mind, and I had no idea they were so close to each other, ended up being 18 kilometers apart. What's that? 12 miles, 13 miles. Anyway, that stuck. That I found that a bit weird to start with, and then I heard that Curiosity, the Mars rover, has landed in the same place. Now this is Gale Crater. Gale Crater is a crater that is basically 96 miles across. It's huge. Now, if you were looking at a clock, you're looking at a picture here that would be 1 o'clock or northeast, and Curiosity would be northwest, sorry. So basically 20 miles apart. Now I find that very strange anyway, but anyway, just bear with me and have a look at this picture and see what you think. First time poster, so be gentle with me. I'm just trying to see if you can see what I see. Right, first thing I noticed here was this huge, to me it looks like the old Anunnaki head. Looks like a big chin, small nose, an eye, huge head. But obviously, nature can do anything. Look at, listen to me, come with me, see the rest of this, and then you tell me that nature can see all of this. So, we got the chin, the small eye, the big head. Where the ear would be, it looks like a gold earring. Maybe not, it's just a trick of the light, but there's nowhere else on that picture you'll see that. But then, who knows? Anyway, let's move on. Here we have a rocky outcrop, we have a straight line, we have, I mean, this is a whole nother matter, but I won't even go into it. This picture, I could spend 3 hours going on things I've seen here in this picture, but let's get on with it. We have a rocky outcrop, then we have an island. Can you see it? Now, 2 minutes later than this, there was another picture taken. If you look to your west, which is that way, there's a companion picture. By the way, if you want to go and find this picture on Hirise, there's the number. It was there up to last week, but you know what NASA like, just go and find it and do your own research. So basically, you got an island sticking out. But what is that? Is that not a bridge across? Is that nature? I know nature can do anything. You can even see the shadow here, really, of this bridge coming across. But then again, let's move on because we got a hell of a lot. So we got all this, say, sandstone all over the place. Now, have a look where the stone changes colour and it becomes more like granite. Can you see that? From here right down. Now, if any of you ever seen a boot communion, or look, the two eyes, the small nose, the mouth. Can you see that? Right, I won't dwell on it. Let's move on. Too much to show you. Again, all the light coloured, and then we have this same, even though the sun's shining on it, so it's not a shadow effect, you got the same different colour. I call this my lion. It looks like a lioness. You have an ear, a snout, and a mouth open. Can you see? I know. I'm sorry, I'm going in and out because I know it gets pixelated, but I'm trying to show you what I'm looking at, and that is what I'm looking at. So, can you see the orientation of the eyes? Again, the orientation of the eyes. Alright, move on. Again, different colour to all the natural rock. Look at the natural rock, all nice and bright. I look at the sun in that. Is that same colour, same texture? No, like I say, it's like the Great Pyramid, it's a different texture. I call this me chimpanzee. It looks like you got two huge eye sockets and a snout. Again, the orientation. Got the three of them. Anyway, you might say that's nothing, and that's just me. Have a look here. You see this square? Can you see it? There we go. The thing with this is that there's a shadow. Can you see? So this isn't pixelization. This isn't the camera playing tricks, because the shadow, it's there. You can see that there's. Trust me. Anyway, move on. There is right angles all over this picture. There really is. Sorry, a bit carried away there. But there's right angles all over this picture. But I want you to have a look at this right angle now. Have a look here. There's right angles here and here and here. But I want you to have a look at that right angle. Again, the shadow, so it's standing above the ground. Can you see that? Let's pull out so it's, yeah, I can prove it's there. There you go. There's your high definition picture. Now, does nature make right? But if you have wind blowing in there, would it make a right angle like that? As well as all the other stuff. But anyway, let's move on. Here we have weird shapes all over here. We have angles of every cut. Can you see right angles? Probably means nothing, but anyway, my next feature is Jesus. I call him a Jesus feature, and this is this feature here. Just like a figure looking down to your left. Have a look. Let's do that. Can you see the eye, the nose, the mouth, the beard? Let's zoom in a bit. Can you see the eye, the nose, the mouth, the beard? These the wrinklet type stuff that you have, the skull cap, and does that not look like a collar of some kind on a garment that you'd have? And it's even, like I say, shadow again, standing above the ground. Let's take that out, have a look at that. You've got an eye facing down, a nose, a mouth, a beard, and a Jewish skull cap with the wrinklet. I don't know the technical term for it, but plus, if you have a look at that straight line, how straight that line is. Again, let's zoom right out so you can see how straight that line is. These are that's a high definition picture, so it's there. Anyway, it's Jesus. Let's move on. So let's have a look at this thing next. I mean, there's lots of stuff. There's little fat boy here, but it reminds me of a vehicle from Stingray. You got this tail, you have this little exhaust. Let's have a look at that again. Can you see that? Well, the thing is that it looks the same. It just looks like a rock. It's the same composition as the rest, but have a look at the shadow underneath. It looks like it's standing above ground. Again, why would nature carve that particular thing out? That's weird. But nature could happen, but is nature doing all this stuff on this site? Right, let's have another look at something else. Right, what I call me a megalith. Can you see a little circle and a square, set in a square? So a bit like Big Ben. Let's come out again so you can see that's there. Can you see the circle? Sorry, too far in. Circle inside Big Ben. Nature again does that. Nature does that. Anyway, look above it. Isn't that amazing? Now we are talking. We have a head, a torso, legs crossed. Have a look at this pedestal. This is amazing to me. Of these geometric shapes. Now let's come right up again so you can see in high definition. Can you see that? Look at the orientation again. Can you see that? Are you telling me that's nature? Okay, go look. And there you go. Go look yourselves. One has to take it down. Right, let's go under these rocks. Sorry, under these caves. I mean, there's a natural harbour here, but anyway, we have these cave-like features. And the straight lines. Can you see straight lines, weird shapes? But here we have like an arch. Let's come out. Can you see the arch? Can you see the strange shapes? Do you think they're natural? Is that natural? That archway. Have a look at it. And then, like I said, I mean, I could talk all night about this picture, but let's pull right up. But in this corner we have this blacked out feature, and it doesn't seem to fit in. And anyway, what I would say to you is stand. Let me zoom in a touch. Now stand up and look down on it. Better still, go download this picture. Stand up, look down. You'll see a face image in profile. That is amazing. It really is. Anyway, all I can say to you people is I find this picture is amazing. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, let me know. And I'll introduce you to Catwoman, or the Cat Queen, at the with my next one, which is, like I say, 18 kilometers away. So basically, have fun, have a good day, and take care. Bye.